welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're actually gonna try vlogging and I'm going on a hike. It's a little after 6 and I'm on my way to the location, so stay tuned and see what else I get into today. At this point, we're about halfway to the top, and as you can see, there are different trails leading to different endpoints. So we chilled for a bit and now we're about to go back down. Hopefully it's not as bad. So we're going off trail on another trail that should take us back to the vehicle. And if it doesn't, he's to blame. Okay guys, so he didn't lie, he was right. It was shorter coming back. We made it out almost to the car. But it was a good hike. And it was a good day. We should try this again sometime. We need to try getting into the habit of going hiking regularly. That word. So, pit stop for food. Beat up. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're continuing my vlog from last week. I was supposed to go to the beach, but it started raining and Mother Nature had other plans, so we're trying again this week. First we're just getting some food and then we'll be on the way. So this was our first choice, but unfortunately it was too crowded for us, so we decided to try another beach. So in case you didn't know, Antigua is known for its 365 beaches and the waters are just as clear as this one. At that point I think I saw a crab or a fish. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my first vlog, and if you enjoyed it, click the button to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya!